Stalkers, it's circle time. I'm so glad you guys could join us today. Guess what I have? Our bird watching binoculars. And I've been looking for all sorts of birds. And if you listen close, I can hear birds all over the place. I'm gonna see if I can spot any. There's not any up high. Look what, guys, look what I found down low. I found a baby bird and a mama bird. Aren't they so cute? They even look similar. They're both orange. And they both have brown wings and orange bodies. How cool. So we have our big mama bird and our small baby bird. Well, today we're gonna sing a song all about birds. It's our good morning song with a little twist. All right, here we go. Rise and shine and let's watch the birds fly. Rise and shine and let's watch the birds fly. Rise and shine and let's watch the birds fly. We're so glad you're here. Yay! I'm glad you guys could come and watch the birds with us today. And I'm glad we found the mama bird and the baby bird. All right, we're gonna sing one new song about 3 ducks and also a big fluffy duck, okay? Here we go, it's a new one. 3 little ducks that I once knew. Big ones, little ones, fluffy ones too. But the one little duck with the feathers on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Can you guys say quack, 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 quack? Our ducks say quack, quack. And our birds, what do they sound like? Do they whistle? That's right, they do. They like to whistle and sing to each other. Well, I hope you guys have fun looking out for some birds at your house, and maybe you can hear them whistling and singing in your backyard. Have a great day.